This quick video demonstrates the drain and fill of the transfer case fluid on a 2016 Ford F150. So I gained access by removing the skid plate, and then I'm going to clean up grime from going in the drain and fill holes with a little bit of brake clean. Take out the fill plug with a 3/8 ratchet, same with the drain plug. And then I'm going to take those plugs over to the wire brush and clean them up just a little bit. And then the transfer case fluid in this is a Mercon LV fluid. Putting the drain plug back in here, and whichever application you have, electronic or manual shift, Mercon LV is good for both applications. Mercon LV supersedes Ford's transfer case fluid XL12, which they used to put in their transfer cases. But it's the same as the ATF that they use in their transmissions. And I'm using a valve line full synthetic equivalent. And then I'm aiming for 1.45 quarts. Hard to tell exactly with the bucket pump. And so I'm going to stick my finger in there and the end of the bucket pump hook and kind of get an idea of the level. I'm going for a little bit below the fill hole. And then just going to put the plug back in, clean up the area with some brake clean, snugging these up but not over tight, otherwise they'll never come out again. And then cleaning up the shield, putting it back on, and that's all there is to that service. Hope you found that helpful and that you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.